आया तेरे हम सभी रहे दिल में अब तेरी हर बात भी जब तक सांसों का साथ है जब तक तारों की बात है तब तक तेरी बात है प्यार में देना पाया उतना तुझे जितना तेरा हक था ये खता पर होती गई मेरा कहाँ मुझ पे बस था आंसू तेरे बन जाए मेरे कैसे बनूं तेरी अब दवा जब तक सांसों का साथ है जब तक तारों की बात है तब तक तेरी बात है
याद में इतना रखना कि न हो फासले रहना लग के तुम गले बतला दूंगी मैं रास्ता जब होगी रास्ते में मुश्किलें अखियों से कह दो रोना इन आँखों में बस खुशियाँ
जब तक सांसों का साथ है जब तक तारों की
हर आसमां से ऊंची है समंदरों से गहरी ऐसी वैसी दोस्ती नहीं ऐसी वैसी दोस्ती नहीं ये नंबर वन यारी है
मेरा यार।
नंबर वन यारी है ये नंबर वन यारी है छाँव में धूप में जाने कितने रूप में ये तपी है ये जली है सोना बन के ये मिली गलियों से गुजरी है बरसों सबरी है ऐसी वैसी दोस्ती नहीं ये नंबर वन यारी है ये नंबर वन यारी है क्यों रुके सपने बुने क्यों डरे खुशियाँ चुने यारी हमको हौसला दे कानों में हंस के कहे साथ हूँ मैं जीत लो तुम दुनिया तुम्हारी है ऐसी वैसी दोस्ती नहीं ये नंबर वन यारी है ये नंबर वन यारी है
गुड इवनिंग मैम।
अरे
जश्न है, रंग है, ये जहां संग है, यही पंख भी, उड़ान भी, अरमां भी, आसमां भी, इस पल से जिंदगी तक ये दुनिया सारी है, ये लम्हा
दर्द में भी ये लब मुस्कुरा जाते हैं, बीते लम्हे हमें जब भी याद आते हैं। दर्द में भी ये लब मुस्कुरा जाते हैं, बीते लम्हे हमें जब भी याद आते हैं। चंद लम्हात के वास्ते ही सही मुस्कुरा कर मिली थी मुझे जिंदगी। चंद लम्हात के वास्ते ही सही मुस्कुरा कर मिली थी मुझे जिंदगी। तेरी आगोश में दिन थे मेरे कटे, तेरी बाहों में भी मेरी रातें कटी। वो आज भी जब वो पल मुझको याद आते हैं, दिल से सारे गमों को भुला जाते हैं। दर्द में भी ये लब मुस्कुरा जाते हैं, बीते लम्हे हमें जब भी याद आते हैं। किस कदर तेज रफ्तार थी जिंदगी, तुम कहे हर तरफ थी खुशी ही खुशी। किस कदर तेज रफ्तार थी जिंदगी, कह कहे हर तरफ थी खुशी ही खुशी। मैंने जिस दिन कही प्यार की बात थी, रुक गई थी अचानक वो बहती नदी। वो आज भी जब वो दिन मुझको याद आते हैं, गुजरे लम्हे ज़हन में उभर आते हैं। दर्द में भी ये लब मुस्कुरा जाते हैं, बीते लम्हे हमें जब भी याद आते हैं। सिर को झुकाना तेरा, मेरे सीने में खुद को छुपाना तेरा, मेरे कांधे पे सिर को झुकाना तेरा, मेरे सीने में खुद को छुपाना तेरा। आके मेरी पनाहों में शामों से कांच की तरह वो टूट जाना तेरा। आज भी जब वो मंजर नजर आते हैं, उनकी वीरानियों को मिटा जाते हैं, दर्द में ये लब मुस्कुरा जाते हैं, बीते लम्हे हमें जब भी याद आते हैं, दर्द में बीते लम्हे दर्द में बीते लम्हे।
सौ दर्द है, सौ राहतें, सब मिला दिल नशी, एक तू ही सौ दर्द है, सौ राहतें, सब मिला दिल नशी, एक तू ही रूखी सी ये हवा और सूखे पत्ते की तरह शहर की सड़कों पे मैं लावारिस उड़ता हुआ, सौ रास्ते पर तेरी राह नहीं, सौ दर्द है, सौ राहतें, सब मिला ने करवट ली है तो साहिलों को सहने दे। सो हसरतें पर तेरा गम तो मेरी दोस्त है। आजा मैं खलाओं में उठा के ले चलूं, तू ही तो मेरी दोस्त है। आवाज का दरिया हूँ, बहता हूँ मैं नीली रातों में, मैं जागता रहता हूँ नींद भरी झील सी आँखों में। आवाज हूँ मैं, आजा मैं हवाओं पे बिठा के ले चलूं, तू ही तो
Hey guys. Hey guys, this is our school. Let's move. We are entering our examination center in class 670 right now. This is Kunal Singh and this is our top floor right now, and this is our music room. You can see it. Okay, and this is the do room. Do. This is our staircase. We're right now going, and we're moving down. Check out for any map. Second floor right now here, and we are right now going and this is our toilet, boys' toilet right now, and we're going to this camera. Check out for anything else. Is it clear or what? And this is our floor room right now, and the camera, you can see this is the camera, and you can change it for it. Here it's a camera. And, so what we are going right now? This is our staircase, and you can check it out for that vice principal room right now. It's front of me, and this is our big staircase. We're going to the first floor right now. And this is Class 10B right now. I'm going through the corridor, and this is our class 10B right now, and we are right now going through it. So we are going through the field. This is the second, the interconnection between our school, and here is the bloody full camera is right now. You can see it, and it's a bloody full camera right now. And we are right now entering the boys' toilet of the first floor. So. This is girls' toilet, you can see it, and this is chemistry lab, and this is. Hi, this is Saurabh Chand right now in front of me, and we can guess out for Cyprus. Right now our playground photo nana And this is our cycle stand right now in front of me. You can see that barracks to keep our cycle stands and etc etc. You can see some cycles are right now there. This is for the boys and this is from the girls. Cycles or something now. And this is our school right now in front of me. Yeah, you can see it through. Right now in front of me I have a canteen of our school which is closed right now, and it never opens because the school has banned from this. And this is a name plate which is been issued right now. It is something saying that primary block and something Navati Global Play School, school playground, cycle stand and everything etc. Right now this is Sai coming in front of it. So let's moving on. We can't see the canteen, and this is the red chart of our canteen, but we can't see anything items because it's closed. And this is our entering our school right now. There's no anybody, but and this is the class 6A. We can go to the corridor, and it's a good place. And it's the 6th B. Okay, so what I was saying, Sai, we haven't gone up. Let's go up. Be pause na हुए ना बेटा? Pause ना हुए. This shouldn't be. So we are going upstairs right now, and you can see all the things, the staircases and everything else. And this is Kunal Singh and Tarun Dalwani coming from the chemistry lab right now. Sorry, it's the physics lab. There's a conversation between Sai and this is Ritik standing. Hey you! Let's move! Wow, the Kunal is saying that he is drinking cigarette right now. My foot! Okay, so he's saying something. And let's move! You can see this is our staircase right now. And this is a bloody fuck. Okay. And let's move. You can all see this is the first floor, and we're going to 7th A. And you can see this is 7th A class, and this is the 8th D class right now. And everything is this, and this is the 7th C in front of me right now. So we are moving through. This is class 8B, and you can see this is the 7th A. So you can see that the relevant commerce. This is known as Hind ki Mahima ka room. You can say that for it, and you can see all the staircases, all the vehicles. You can see this is the vehicles of our staff members of our school right now. To look out. Definitely yes. No one will say anything. This you can see our school right now. Wait a minute. This is our playground right now. You can see 2 goal posts, and right now you can see this is our basketball playground right now. So we will be taking you to there in some minutes. can see this is a basketball playground in the whole school right now in front of me. And the whole playground you can see. And this is the water drinking first one and the old one. Water tank. You can see I have come through water tank. This is Cyprus in the Mahana. And that's, you can see that our stage. Yeah, I can know that. You can see that our stage, and there's something dancing because of Republic Day. We have some programs right now, and you can see that that house is our principal's house right now, and this is Cyprus in the Mahana. He has very near his face right now. This is the Guru. He's saying yo. Yeah. Would you please hold it? I have to drink water.
Yes, baby.
ये देख
তোর মোটা দোষ তোর সাইড यार के देख ब्रो यार के देख तो क्लोज फोटो मोटा ब्यूटी दिखती कौन है
Yeah, this is a video recording started right now, and we are heading towards our school. This is the water tank. And this is our garden. You can see some flowers, and all the boys and all the girls sit here. We may say that it's our lover point of our school right now. We're standing in front of that, and I have information that it is called as a lover point, and all the lovers sit here right now. Whereas Sai is sitting right now because and this is right now the window of our principal's room right now, and I don't know what is this Ritik thinking and standing still, and he is giving it soft. You can see right now, and this is our underground storage system. This is our school right now. Coming in front of us, and we're heading towards our exit right now, and so this is our school's main gate right now. No one will telling us.
asli tu makan.
दे दो कितना दे मिको ठीक है
इसका गाड़ी दिखाओ अरे देखेंगे अपना वाली डालेंगा.
You can see this Hind darling coming